unemployment is above 30%. The people of South Africa, you must never make a mistake of thinking that the MK party is similar to the ANC.
Is the MK party the only real fire left, or are we just being manipulated again? The MK party Secretary General Sibonelo Nombalo just stripped the ANC naked. He says for 30 years they have been selling you a fake revolution just to stay in the office. According to Nombalo, the ANC is now nothing but a career office for personal interests. They remember the people on the election day and forget you the very next morning. Is Nombalo correct, or he's just hallucinating or campaigning for vote? Let's have that discussion on the comment section.
There is no revolution that is currently pursued by the African National Congress. The ANC has become nothing but an entity of individuals who get elected into positions of leadership and forget about the people. I'm saying this, comrade, to instill an idea into your mindsets that when you think about the MK party, your attitude must change. You must never make a mistake of thinking that the MK party is similar to the ANC. That is why, comrade, we must discourage people who come with ANC tendencies in the MK party. Because, comrade, for a very long time, the people of South Africa have been voting for nothing. For 30 years, the ANC has been making promises. It has also been failing to reach its target that it adopted in a document called the NDP. They said in 2030, unemployment will be at 6%. As we speak today, unemployment is above 30%. So you have an organization that sets targets but fails to meet them. It's targets that were not imposed to the ANC. It's a target that it defined for itself, but it fails dismally to fulfill it.